Yo, it's your boy Nate back with two stock picks and a crypto update. I wanted to get to you guys before tomorrow, before the market opens. I have not been able to make any videos as of late. Like I said, I am back to work, so I did not want to let you guys down today. So I just want to hit you with a quick two stocks and a crypto update. And I've been looking at the market overnight, leading until tomorrow, just to see how things are moving. And we got some movers, to say the least. We definitely got some movers. Let me load up really quick on the two stock picks. I do have them. I just got to pull the information. Alrighty. Number one, for you guys, I got Carvana. Let me stop. Let's not forget the main thing that I always forget to. Well, I don't forget. I just kind of slips my mind, that. But anywho, investing carries risk. Talk to a licensed financial advisor in your area. I am not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you guys enough. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I do some research, and I suggest you do your own research because, again, this is your money that you be investing with. I'm investing into these stocks, but that's with my money. I can't tell you guys what to do with your own. And lastly, I am not trying to sell you anything. I'm not one of those investing YouTuber guys who is trying to get you to subscribe to a plan or anything like that. No, these are just me trying to look out for those who might be interested in investing. But back to it. Number one is Carvana. All right, Carvana is definitely a good one to look at. Carvana is a holding company and an e-commerce platform which engages in buying and selling of used cars. All right. Carvana, as of right now, is up 10% on the overnight market, sitting at $40.78. It's probably going to open at $440.55. Sorry about that. It's up 10% in the market. It's up $40.78. I don't want you guys to not get what I'm saying. Okay. I think it's going to open up at $404.55. Could finish tomorrow with a new 52-week high nearing $450. It opened the market, the pre-market today, $399.50. That's crazy. It opened at $399.50 and it's sitting at damn. I don't want to swear. Sitting at $441. All right. So at a 52-week high of $444. And that happened to be today, So again, I think this thing's going to continue to move. And at a 52-week low of $148.25, it grew $241.30 on the year. It grew at 120%. I believe Carvana can get close to 450, 460 range in 2026. And I think it's to stay. It might have a little volatility, but I think it's a $450 stock. Of 26 analyst ratings, 73% say to buy, 23% say to hold, and 4% say to sell. Carvana is making money moves. The 24-hour market, like when I say this thing is green, definitely take a look at Carvana. Try to give it a look, do a little bit of research before 9:30 tomorrow. All right. And number two, one I'm sure you've all heard of. This is kind of a no-brainer, but I'm still going to discuss it because, for those who are new to investing, you probably haven't heard this name. But for those who have been investing, you are very familiar with Palantir. Palantir. All right. Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. And I will go back for this. Okay, so Carvana, ticker symbol is CVNA. So my apologies. Okay. Carvana, CVNA. All right. So I totally forgot to mention the ticker symbol for those who, want to know. But anywho, Palantir is definitely number two. Ticker symbol PLTR. All right. For those who don't know what Palantir is, Palantir Technologies Inc. engages in the business of building and deploying software platforms that serve as the central operating systems for its customers. It operates through the commercial and government segments. The commercial segment focuses on customers working in non-government industries. The government segment is involved in providing services to customers that are in the United States government and non-United States government agencies. Its platforms are widely used in areas such as defense, intelligence, healthcare, energy, and financial services, supporting data integration, large scale analytics, and operational decision making. All right, so Palantir, they're up like 0.5% on the overnight market, sitting at $182.61. Open the market at $178.21. They have a 52-week high of $207.52 and a 52-week low of $63.40. This thing has grown tremendously. Palantir has grown 140% on the year, $182.59 to be exact. I believe in 2026, Palantir will be a $200 stock easily. I think this stock will easily be a $200 stock, like for sure. Of 28 analyst ratings, 25% say to buy, 64% say to hold, and 11% say to sell. I really think this is a no-brainer. You know, 64% of analysts are saying to hold this stock. Everyone should go get a piece of Palantir. You know, you don't have to buy a full share. You know, throw a couple dollars in there, but this is definitely a stock to have some money in. I mean, I can't say it enough. You know, everyone should go get a piece of Palantir. I mean, this thing is growing. It's going to continue to grow. I mean, it's a better artificial intelligence stock. The NASDAQ, they made a post 4 hours ago, and they compared it to NVIDIA. You know, it was a plus 0.21%. NVIDIA was 0.07, is negative 0.07%. You know, Palantir is one of those stocks that's going to be here for a long time. So definitely do your own research, you know, look more into it, but I think that's a for sure one. All right. And in crypto news, because it's now 9 p.m. All right. Everything is green in the crypto space, but we know how it is with crypto. Up and down, crazy volatility. But as of right now, everything is in the green. XRP is sitting at $2.07, still trying to climb its way back. But you know, it's gonna be a ride, because you know, XRP was up to $3.50 at one point. You know, it's gotten as low as, you know, $1.88 on a year. It is going up. It's consistently been around the $2.05 range and $2.15 range. So it's still working its way up. But I think XRP in 2026 will get back closer to the $3 range. All right. Ethereum is at $3,110, showing steady growth on a day. It's up $64. And Bitcoin is still in the $90,000 range, currently at $91,150. Ways to go, but again, the crypto space is currently green at the moment. So, you know, it's just something to, again, you all look at this stuff, you look it up yourself. Palantir, crypto, and lastly, Carvana. Do your own research. Those are two stocks to look at going until tomorrow's market. And crypto, you know, you kind of just, that's a 24-hour market. You buy when you want to, and you just wish for the best. All right, I'm gone. Peace.